As you folks work today to learn what you can learn and to see what opportunities might be seized, you're going to be surrounded by lots of folks. And the people from the airport are incredible. They're both knowledgeable and experienced.
Together, we will continue to grow. And this workshop is one of the stepping stones to get there.
Free of cost to you, but we're able to connect you with these folk and they're able to tell you what exactly are those compliance components.
This is a phenomenal time for all of us. And what this means is an opportunity for you to expand your business opportunities within this airport.
For me, it's the networking. So right now I was just talking to some people from the construction division.
This is an opportunity for us to shake hands, get to know people, and find out where we can fit in as a local small business.
We are also a community. We're just not a transfer station. We're just not a flow-through. We are a community and we want the world to see the community that we are, and that's all of you.